Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ChargeHub account to manage EV charging sessions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your ChargeHub account, start by navigating to the ChargeHub website. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to read the terms and conditions before proceeding. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. You will receive an activation email shortly after. Check your email inbox for a message from ChargeHub. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and locate the activation link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, you will be redirected to the ChargeHub website. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you can set up your profile by adding any additional information. Navigate to the dashboard to start managing your EV charging sessions. You can now view nearby charging stations and track your charging history. To add a payment method, go to the Settings section. Enter your payment details in the designated fields. Once you have added a payment method, you're ready to start charging. Explore the app features to optimize your EV charging experience. Congratulations, your ChargeHub account is now activated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.